What's up? Gonna make a mocha. I don't make a lot of these. Honestly, it's not my favorite drink, but I don't think I've uploaded a mocha video on here in forever, so figured why not? Maybe I'll try something a little bit different to make it a bit more tasty. And let's see, I'm in between using my Versace cup and my black mug up here. I think it would look really cool because I'm likely gonna mess up the latte art anyway. And I like doing this, since it's a mocha, I like doing this chocolate pattern with this mug. Make sure I don't need anything out of here. I will take my matcha scoop, use it as a spoon. I'll take my single teaspoon and, of course, some chocolate powder. Yes, this is Nesquik powder. Nothing super fancy, but it melts very, very easily, and that's why I really like it. And honestly, it's not that bad of a chocolate either. So, first things first, get the shot ready. 16 grams. 16 grams in a double non-pressurized basket, to be specific. And this is a Breville Barista espresso machine. I've had this machine for 5 years. I think more than 5 years at this point. Anyway, things are about to get loud. While that's grinding, go ahead and grab the milk. Yes, I need to go to the grocery store. I almost poured the milk into, into the mug. Oh my goodness. It's still early in the morning, y'all. Gonna fill it up right to the start of the spout right there. While I'm in here, I'll grab my chocolate sauce that I have in this glue dispenser, actually. It's a little bit off of its threading, it looks like, but it's fine. Grab a toothpick. That's why I have a box of toothpicks in here. You'll see how all that works out once we're at that stage. But anyway, the beans are grinded. Give a little bit of a pre-tap with this 3D printed funnel that I got to keep the mess at a minimum. Then I do the actual tap, a little bit of distribution, not too much pressure. Then I will pull a single shot into this size mug. What I should have done first was actually put the cocoa in the cup, but it's fine, not that big of a deal. Gonna take a teaspoon and throw it in there. Pressure is looking a bit high, but it's not too bad, not too bad. And when I tamped down, I felt it. It felt like there was a bit more than 16 grams in there, so that perfectly explains why my pressure was a bit high there. So just this bit right here is enough. I promise you, just a teaspoon. That's all I really need to get that chocolate taste. I'm gonna throw that in there. Close that up. Take my matcha scoop, get the steam one started, and mix away. Hopefully y'all can see that okay. Though the phone's right in front of me, it's still not the easiest to monitor exactly what y'all see. So I'm done with this. I'm done with this. I'm gonna put you to the side. I'm gonna grab dark cocoa shaker and grab my milk pitcher and start steaming away. And I know it's super loud, but when you start the steam one early like that, you just start out with a much higher pressure, which gives you the feeling of using a way higher end steam one than you otherwise get with this machine. I'm not letting enough air in. There we go. Micro movements to get the texture you want. You're looking for sounds, you're looking for reflection, you're looking for micro bubbles, and all at the same time you're feeling the heat, making sure it doesn't get too hot too soon. I'm gonna lower it just a little bit. I want above average amount of foam here. because of the style of latte art I'm going for, I might get it, but this might be pretty thin. Well, maybe we got a good texture there. I would consider it a perfect latte, maybe even a flat white texture, but I may have not let in enough air there. You'll see what I mean once we start pouring. But anyway, make sure we purge. All right, because this is a mocha, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun here. I'm gonna pour a bit of the powder from the shaker just all over the inside of the cup. Gonna take our milk froth here and start pouring away. Okay, I messed up the latte art. That's perfectly fine. I didn't expect to get it there. We're going to improvise. So, in this case, where I messed up the latte art, I'm making a mocha. I knew I wanted to do this chocolate style with it. I'm gonna take my glue dispenser and with chocolate, not glue. And let's see, let me grab another paper towel just on hand. All right, so the style I'm gonna go for, let's go with the zigzag. So it's as simple as pouring the chocolate on there in a zigzag motion, so. Just squeezing and going in zigzag like so. Now, if you were to do this straight out of a Hershey's bottle, the line that would come out would be too thick and it would just sink below the surface. That's why I got a glue dispenser for this, because it makes a very fine line that's light enough to have a surface tension so it just stays up on the surface, even with the thin foam like this. And then, yeah, toothpick, go back and forth with it. And you can give the impression that, hey, I got skills with latte art. Latte art is very difficult to master, and it's not the most straightforward to practice. Even though I've had this machine for years, I am still coming to grips with latte art. But anyway, that's the drink. We just finished it and everything. So, and I could even go a step further and put another dab of chocolate on there, but I really like the way it looks from here, especially in this Versace mug. Hopefully you got a good view of it. Let me put the saucer in the shot. There you'll have it. Mocha with the Versace mug. Anyway, thanks for watching as always, and more soon.